Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek. Today I'm going to take you guys to University of Ljubljana tour, and I will be showing you the faculties which is located in the center of Ljubljana. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek, do subscribe. Now we are seeing the University of Ljubljana main building. This is one of the symbol of the university and this is one of the main building of the University of Ljubljana. In this building, most of the administration work goes on. Now we are seeing the surroundings of the University of Ljubljana main building, and in front of the building we have Congress Square, and this is the park where mostly students hang out. There is a Ljubljana festival which is going on, and the stage is set up in front of the main building, and there are so many cultural activities which are going on every day on this stage, and many audience as well as the students join and they enjoy the festival. This beautiful view is the Ljubljanica river which flows in the center of the city, and also in this the Ljubljana castle is seen. This beautiful view is the Three Bridge which is located in the center of the Ljubljana city, and also the President Square which is one of the important square in Ljubljana city, and in this square most of the students hang out in the evening and have fun. This beautiful building which is located in the old square of Ljubljana, this is the Academy of Music. This is the famous Dragon Bridge which is also in the center of Ljubljana, and in front of the Dragon Bridge there is a Faculty of Law. This building is the Faculty of Theology. This is the Faculty of Business Sciences. And this building is the Faculty of Arts. This building is the Faculty of Natural Sciences. And this building is the Faculty of Pharmacy. This building is TINT Laboratory, which is Tribology in Nanotechnology Lab, which is my faculty. This building is the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Geology. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek, do subscribe.